Hey everyone, I'm Chelsea. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the LiveBinder to portfolios. So when you first go to livebinders.com here, this is what your screen looks like. The first time you get here, you're going to need to sign up for LiveBinders. So you sign in with your email, you make a password. It's easy. So now we're going to, because I already have it, I'm just going to log in. So here's my login information. And this is basically what your screen's going to look like. This is my MSN Education binder that I've been working on already. There's a link to this inside the Canvas LiveBinder section, but we're going to show you how to do your own new binder. So we're going to go up here, we're going to click on New Binder. Binder name is going to be Example, and our description is also going to be Example. If you wanted to put tags in it, you could. The category is personal because it is ours, but you have a bunch of categories you can put it in. We're going to make this a public binder so that everyone can log in, everyone can see this binder, and we're going to create a new binder. If it's not set on public, you can't get a grade on it. So Dr. Keller, yeah, it's not good. So you need to make sure that it's public. So now we're here, and it's time to start editing our LiveBinder. So tab 1, we're going to do this the same as we did the Canvas one just for ease. So we're going to write CV here. Tab 2, we're going to make this one our teaching philosophy. In tab 3, we're going to make this our clinical rotation. So now let's say the tabs aren't in the order that I want them. I can move them to the left, and I can click on this and move them to the right. It makes it really easy. So let's start with our CV. We want to add some content in. So I'm going to click here, plus on the content. I want to upload my resume. So we're going to click on that. We're going to browse for my resume. And that is in a different section. So let's go back to this. My resume is down here. Chelsea resume. Open it. Once again, it is saved as a PDF. I highly recommend saving anything that you can as a PDF because then people can't change it. So we're here, it says Chelsea's resume, we're going to upload it. It's going to give me a warning that I already uploaded it once because I have a lot of files in here, but I wanted to show you how to upload it. So we're going to click OK. It overwrote my other one, and now the PDF of my resume is here on the thing. So we're going to click Save. I'm really big on clicking Save after every time I upload something so that, God forbid, the computer crashes, I lose internet connection or whatever, my LiveBinder's set at the last place I was. Teaching philosophy, we can do the same thing as the other one. We'll do a plus for content. And then this time, let's add in some text. If you pick some of these up here, you can put a picture with some text next to it. I'm going to click just the text box. So I click the text box, click here to edit, and we're going to do teaching philosophy. And then that's done. We're going to click Save. And we'll click here to edit. And this is my teaching philosophy. Save it again. Now you have two options for your teaching philosophy. It was an assignment in one of our nursing classes that we did. So instead of writing your teaching philosophy here, you do have the option to just upload your teaching philosophy into this section. So pick whichever is easier for you. I just wanted to show you a different way to do something. So now with clinical rotations, these are the ones where we're going to have the multiple levels of tabs. In the Canvas tutorial, this is where these tabs that are on the top were the ones that were over on the left. And I'll show you how to do the sub-tabs now. So we plus here, new sub-tab, and we're going to make this our syllabus. Let's do a second sub-tab. And we're going to make this one a picture. And just in case you guys don't see where I'm going, over here at the top left-hand side where it says sub-tab, this is where I'm getting the sub-tabs from. So our third sub-tab, maybe we'll do clinical hours. Since I have already uploaded a bunch of stuff in here, we're going to do a plus for content. And I'm going to go to my files. I have a lot of files in here, so I'm going to click Find. And I'm going to do my, where's my syllabus, immersion syllabus. So we're going to click here, immersion syllabus. And now it has uploaded the syllabus that I already had uploaded previously into this file. So we're going to click save. The next thing I want to do, let's upload a picture. So we're going to, once again, plus on the content. And here's a picture that I previously uploaded. So we're going to use this picture, X. And now here's a picture that we had in Oklahoma. Once again, I'm going to save it. Go here to my clinical hours. And now let's pretend that I have not yet uploaded my clinical hours into here. I'll go to upload, browse. Here's my Oklahoma hours open. And we're going to upload it. It should probably give me another error message. I'm not sure, but I would thought it would. And here's my hours that I spent in Oklahoma. So I'm going to save this. And now my picture's here, my syllabus is here, my clinical rotation. I can add information in here, content. Let's do text again, and let's pick this one. So click here to edit. This is going to be Oklahoma. Save. Click here to edit. Oklahoma. Immersion. Save this. Over here, what insert? Plus content. We're going to add our, from my files, another picture. My picture's now on the side here. So if you saw how I did that, we did click here to edit Oklahoma, click here to edit Oklahoma immersion. When I wanted to upload my picture of myself, I did plus on the content. I went to my files because I've already had these pictures uploaded. I could have also picked upload here and uploaded a new picture, but I have already uploaded most of this stuff. I clicked on the picture that I chose, which is this picture of myself jumping on a shovel while we were doing community service, and that's the picture I uploaded. So now we're going to click save. So now we have several pictures. Now I want to see what my binder looks like to someone else. So this is, I clicked, here's my example binder. I'm going to click on that, table of contents. I have my CV here. There's a copy of my resume, my teaching philosophy, my clinical rotation. And then I have my syllabus, my picture, my clinical hours. I like the way it looks, so I want to go back to editing it. So here there's a little box with a red thing on it. Click on that. It goes back into edit mode. So let me just show you guys that one more time. Decided that I've gotten to where I'm done. I like this binder. I want to see what it looks like to everybody else. Click on view and go to present. And now you have your binder the way everybody else is going to see it when they click on you. We've decided that we're happy with this binder. Click on the red arrow. We're going to click on the little box with the pencil on it, edit this binder, and it takes us right back to the screen. There's a couple other cool things that you can do on this to make it yours. If you click on this little red arrow here, we can change the color of our tabs. So let's, I don't like blue, I want to change it to hot pink. I like this color pink. I'm going to hit OK. But now it doesn't do all the tabs at the same time, so I would have to set this tab color also. Go back up to my pink. Okay. And then you got to do each one at a time. Okay. Go to pink again, go to pink again. All right, so I have my 3 pink up there. And then down here, it gives you the option to set the tab color, but it's been a little bit moody with me today. So let's see if it wants to turn red. And right now it doesn't, but oh, there it goes. Set tab color, we're gonna go to red. Okay, we'll go to the last one. Set tab color. So it's just a little taxing because you have to do it over and over and over again. So now I want to see what it looks like to everyone else. We're going to click on view again, click on present. We have our table of contents, we have what's in it, and now my hot pink tabs are showing, and here's my red. So this is where it makes it a little bit more personal, makes it a little bit more you, so that you can customize it for what you want. Go back into our binders. And if you guys would like to see the other example binder, you're more than welcome to follow the link that shows you my LiveBinder with everything that I've done on the courses that I've set up. I also added contributions. I saved my PowerPoints as a PDF. But this is basically how you do it.